Hi, I'm Chantal and welcome to Hose Reels Direct, and today we're going to talk about the brewery and food hose reel. The FX460 is designed for cleaning in breweries and food factories. This hose reel can be used for mains pressure water up to 80 degrees C. It's spring retractable, therefore it's really easy to use. Simply pull, the latch will hold the hose into place and then pull again to release. This particular model has 15 metres of hose, other lengths are available. The FX460 comes with a few optional extras. The pivot bracket here, which allows the hose to move left or right. Also another extra can be the gun, which has a brass swivel, and also it has a connection pipe which can be cut to different lengths. Just to recap, this is the FX460. Thank you for watching. If you require any extra information or quotes, then please do not hesitate to contact us.